Hello everyone. In this video tutorial we will work with a layer animation section with these steps. I'm using two images. For this image I will create 3 layers of smoke, and the second image I created in FLR sand dust or powder explosion. For this player I have a lot of layers that I can animate. Okay, let's start with this image. For this image let's create smoke layers. I don't need the timeline now, and I delete the timeline. Go to brush, select the brush, smoke brush. I have selected one. Okay. Cool. Give the name smoke 1. Create another layer. Give the name smoke 2. Let's select a cool smoke brush. Another brush for this example. Maybe it's too hard. Okay, let's erase it a little bit. Okay, and let's create a third layer of smoke. Give the name smoke 3, and let's draw over this layer something interesting. Okay, it will be common background smoke of our back of the ball. Okay, give the name back. Okay, I have 3 layers, and let's animate. Go to image motion panel and layer animation section. Let's turn off these 2 layers for a while, and let's animate smoke 1. Okay, click on first icon, and what we see a notification that we need to rename a layer which we want to animate. Select the layer with effect and give it name animation after click play button to create animation. Cool. Now let's rename animation. Go to second step, click play. Cool. Set the end point. Let's a little bit scale up and place it near here. Okay, and let's set a start point and a little bit down. Okay, our animation is ready. Let's see our animation. Very smooth animation. I don't need to change my placement or scaling. I like it, and I skip this button for editing placement and scaling of each animated layer, but I can skip this step and go to the last step to finalize my animated layers. Cool, we can animate next element on our image. Let's turn off this layer, give the name, for example, smoke 1. Okay, let's animate smoke 2. And let it be more faster. Cool. What we need to rename our layer to animation. Cool. Set the end point a little bit, scale up 5% and up for 3 and 63 centimeters. Okay, and scale down for 5% and down for 3 and 60, maybe there. Okay, cool, animation is ready. Let's play. Okay, I have a smoke here, but I fix it by creating mask, but I don't need to do now. Okay, I like it, and I don't need to change my scale and placement, and I skip this step again and click on button done. That my animation is done. Okay, we can animate next element, but before, let's rename this animated layer to smoke 2. Cool. Go to smoke back. For example, I want to add more scale for this layer, and do not place up or down at the bottom of this ball, only scaling. Go to first step. Yes, we need to rename to animation. After create animation, just increase our scale to 130%. Cool. And scale down to 30%. Okay, let's see our animation. It's like from the center. Cool, I like it, and I skip my third step and go to the last step and finalize my animated layer of smoke 3. Okay, I have all 3 animated layers. Smoke 3 back. Okay, let's turn on this layer. Let's see our full animation. And I like it. Let's work with mask and fix this. Let's find this. Okay.